How to reduce lag in Roblox Mobile. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the very first step before we go through the Roblox app, let's go to the App Store. We search for Roblox, tap on Roblox, and make sure that it is up to date. If it shows an update button right here, just tap on it to keep the app updated, which helps in reducing the lag. Another thing to check before going through the Roblox app is to go to our settings. Let's go to General and go to iPhone storage. From here, you can see if you have enough storage because you would need some freed up storage to reduce the lag. So from here, you can sort the apps by size, which apps takes up a lot of size, and you can then scroll through it, and if you find an app that you don't use anymore, you can uninstall that to free up some space from your phone. Okay, this next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. Now we go to open Roblox, and you can open any game you would like to play, for example, this one. And once you're in the game, you can then click on the Roblox icon at the top left and go to settings right here. From here, we scroll down, and for the graphics mode, we set it to manual by clicking on this little arrow beside it and make sure that it is set to manual. Now, if you missed this next part, you'll have to start over. For the graphics quality, we will then turn it all the way down like that and only keep one bar activated like that, and that will reduce the storage strain or the graphics strain of Roblox and will make it less laggy as you play. You can also try restarting your phone if that doesn't work. That is how you can basically reduce lag in Roblox Mobile.